Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about at the dry cleaners. Let's go!
How do I explain this coffee stain? Sorry.
Oh no, not on a Monday. I can picture it. Let's say you are at the dry cleaners now. I will be the person at the desk.
Hi there. I need to drop off this shirt for cleaning.
Of course. What is wrong with it?
Well, I have this huge coffee stain right on the front. It looks really bad.
I see it. Coffee can be a difficult stain. We will do our best to remove it.
I hope so. It's one of my favorite shirts, you know.
We will take good care of it. Is there anything else today?
No, that's all. When can I pick up it?
You can pick it up on Wednesday afternoon. Is that okay?
Wednesday is good. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We'll have it ready for you then.
Good. So, I just come back to the dry cleaners on Wednesday?
Yes, that is right. Just come back to the desk.
Good. Thanks again.
Stop there! Leo, that was good. Did you hear your small mistake?
I think so. I said pick up it instead of pick it up.
That's it. Many people make this mistake. You did well. Let's look at our first 4 words.
The first one is the place we are pretending to be in. The dry cleaners.
Right. That's DRYCLEANERS. The dry cleaners is a shop where special clothes are cleaned.
Yes, like suits or nice dresses. You do not put them in a normal washing machine.
Yes. So you can say, I need to go to the dry cleaners after work.
Good. Our next word was drop off. That's DROPOFF.
To drop off something means to leave it somewhere. So you drop off your clothes.
Right. For example, I will drop off my jacket on my way to the gym.
Another example is, I will drop off my kids at school. Good example. You drop off your clothes, and then a few days later,
You pick up your clothes. PICKUP. It's the opposite of drop off.
Right, that's it. To pick up means to collect something you left earlier.
So you can say, don't forget to pick up your shirt.
Or, I need to pick up my son from school at 3 o'clock. It works for people too.
Oh, that's a good point. I didn't think of that.
Right. And the last word from that scene was why you were there. Stain.
My big coffee stain. STAIN. A stain is a dirty mark on something.
And it's a mark that is hard to remove. I often find little mud stains from my cat, Biscuit.
I can imagine. So you could say, this shirt has a grass stain on the knee.
Or, can you get this tomato sauce stain out of my dress?
We have those 4 words down. Good start.
A very good start. Now let's go back to the dry cleaners.
Good. I am back to drop off a different item. This time I am in a hurry.
I'm ready for you. Let's do scene 2.
Hello again. I have this beautiful silk scarf. It's very delicate.
Oh, that is nice. Yes, we will be very careful with it.
Thank you. I have a quick question. I need it back very quickly.
How quickly do you need it? We have an express service.
Oh, good. I need it for tomorrow. Is that possible with the express service?
Yes, it will be ready tomorrow by 5 p.m. It does cost a little more.
That is no problem. Thank you. Tomorrow's good.
Great. Here is your receipt. You will need this to collect the scarf.
Good. I will put this receipt in my wallet so I do not lose it.
A very good idea. Do you want it back on a hanger?
A hanger? Oh, no, thank you. You can just fold it carefully. It's small.
Of course. We will see you tomorrow then.
Good. Thanks for your help.
And scene. Very nice. You were a very polite customer in a hurry.
I try my best. Let's talk about those next 4 words. The first one was delicate.
Right. DELICAT. Delicate means something is easy to break or damage.
So a silk scarf or a wool sweater is delicate. You must wash it carefully.
Yes, that is right. You can say, this old glass is very delicate, so be careful.
Good. Then I was in a hurry, so I asked for the express service.
Express service. EXPRESSSERVICE. It's a faster service that costs more money.
You know, like express mail. You pay more to send a letter faster.
That is a good example. I used the express service to get my suit cleaned in one day.
And after I paid, you gave me a receipt. RECEIPT.
This word has a silent P. We say receipt. A receipt is a piece of paper that shows you paid.
I am always losing my receipts. My wallet is full of them.
Me too. A good example is, always keep your receipt if you want to return something.
Good. Last one from that scene. Hanger. HANGER.
A hanger is that plastic or wooden thing you use to hang clothes in a closet.
Yes. So your shirts and jackets go on hangers.
That is right. You can say, could I have a few extra hangers for my coats?
I think all my hangers are blue. I don't know why.
That's funny. Mine are all different colors. It's a bit of a mess.
Good. We have 4 more words to go. Are you ready for the last scene?
I am. Let's imagine you are now picking up your clothes.
Oh, this is the best part. Getting clean clothes back.
It is a good feeling. Right. You arrive at the counter.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Hello. I am here to pick up a shirt and a jacket.
Good afternoon. Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here it is. Oh, and I forgot to ask about alterations.
Alterations? We do offer them here. What do you need?
The button on this jacket is a little loose. Can you fix it?
Yes, we can do that for you. It's a simple alteration.
That is good. What about normal laundry? Do you wash things like socks and t-shirts?
We do. We offer a full laundry service. Just bring it in a bag.
Wow. So you do professional cleaning for suits and also regular laundry?
Yes. Professional cleaning means experts clean clothes with special machines. It is not done at home. That is right. We can clean almost any garment you have.
Good. That is good to know. My life just got easier.
We're happy to help. Here is your clean garment now.
And stop. A happy ending. My life is easier.
I love a happy ending. Let's look at those final 4 words. The first one you asked about was alterations.
Right. ALTERATIONS. I am not sure I understand this one well.
Alterations are small changes made to clothes to make them fit better.
I see. Like making trousers shorter or fixing a button?
Yes, that is it. You could say, I need some alterations on my new dress before the party.
Got it. Then I asked about laundry. LAUNDRY.
Laundry is the regular clothes, sheets, and towels that you wash at home.
So my gym clothes are laundry, but my work suit needs...
Professional cleaning! PROFESSIONALCLEANING.
This is just another name for what a dry cleaners does, right?
Right. It means cleaning done by experts with special machines. Not at home.
Good, so you could say this coat needs professional cleaning. Do not wash it.
A good example. And that brings us to our last word.
Garment. GARMENT. This word sounds a bit formal.
It is a little formal. A garment is just any single piece of clothing.
So a shirt is a garment. A pair of trousers is a garment.
That's it. It's a useful word at the dry cleaners. They might say, please list each garment on this form.
I see. It is a general word for one piece of clothing.
You've got it. And just like that, we have covered all 12 words.
Wow, that was quick. I feel like I can really go to a dry cleaners now.
You certainly can. How about a quick game to review? A lightning round.
I love a lightning round. Right, you give the clue. I will say the word.
Ready? This is a dirty mark, like from coffee or grass.
A stain?
Good. This is a fast, more expensive service.
Express service.
Correct. This is what you do when you leave your clothes at the shop.
You drop them off. Or you drop off your clothes.
Good. This is the paper they give you to prove you paid.
The receipt. With a silent P.
You remembered. This is a general word for one piece of clothing.
A garment.
That's it. What do you call it when you make trousers shorter?
That's alterations.
Good. Last one. This object is used to hang a shirt in your closet.
A hanger. An easy one to finish.
You did very well. I am sure everyone listening did a good job too.
Same for me. I think you are all ready. Do not be afraid to try these words.
Yes, that's right. Practice is the main part. You learned a lot today.
That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive!